Hey, I'm Sophie from Curry's and these are Bose's QuietComfort Earbuds. And here's 3 reasons you should have them in your life. Firstly, Bose's Acoustic noise cancelling. You can fine-tune your listening experience with full quiet, transparency mode, or choose from 11 different levels of noise cancellation. Next up, we have the acclaimed lifelike sound and rich and deep bass. The Bose high-efficiency drivers and exclusive acoustic port design produce deep, low notes and a rich lifelike sound, no matter how loud or soft you like to listen. And finally, we have the design of the earbuds. They are secure and comfortable, as well as sweat and weather resistant, so you can use them anytime, anywhere. They've also got simple touch controls, which makes them really easy to use. Everyday life has changed so much, from our commute to work, to where we work, to how we spend our free time. With that in mind, we've set up 3 scenarios to test the Bose Acoustic noise cancelling, and the first one is our daily commute. My partner's outside now ready to take me, so let's go. So we are on our morning commute, and obviously it's changed quite a lot from what we're used to. We're used to getting on the tube, walking through London, but obviously now, because of the times that we're in the car together.
Joy of joys.
Joy of joys. So I'm going to put these in and we're going to have a look at the Bose Acoustic noise cancelling. We're going to have it to start with on full transparency mode, which means I can hear everything around me. I can hear the engine, I can hear the wheels in the rain, I can hear the windscreen wipers squeaking, just general city stuff. So now what we're going to do is we're going to change it to full quiet mode. And I can't hear anything. Ben, say something.
When can I buy a new game
Any
console?
question, but obviously something for camera.
Tomorrow? Yeah, okay, I'll buy it.
I can't hear anything. I have no idea what he's saying. Are you talking? That look.
So we have recreated a work from home office space on set here today. Sophie's in the green room, she hasn't seen any of this. What we're gonna do is we're gonna bring her in, sit her down facing away from me, get the earbuds in and turn the noise cancellation all the way up. In the meantime, I have assembled an arsenal of noise making equipment, and at the end of it all, we're gonna see if she can guess what it was that I was up to. Sophie?
Hello.
Hello, my darling. So could you sit right here for me?
Yeah.
And I'm gonna need you to put the earbuds in with your favorite songs, and then turn the noise cancelling all the way up. What I'll do is I'll tap you on the shoulder and we're going to see if you can figure out what it was I was doing the entire time.
Okay.
How many strawberries do you want? It's like being back at home. It's filthy in here. List some of the things I was doing.
Genuinely, I genuinely couldn't hear anything.
Turn around and see the mess I've made.
Genuinely couldn't hear a thing. Was so involved in Six the Musical that I had no idea. I was so involved in my music. So our third and final scenario is time to unwind. Now obviously the way we unwind has completely changed, and you may want to do your unwinding on your lunch break or after work, but for me the way to unwind is to go for a walk. Now I've got the QuietComfort Earbuds in, and yes, they have amazing noise cancelling, but they also have full transparency mode, which means on my walk I can hear all of this traffic. I'm on a road, I can hear if a car's coming, I can hear if they beep at me, I need to move out of the way, I can hear if someone's behind me and they need to get past. It's brilliant. It creates amazing situational awareness, and it's really, really safe. Now, as you can see, the weather today isn't great, but you don't need to worry because these are sweat and weather resistant. They have an IPX rating of 4, which means you can wear them in weather like this and you're going to be absolutely fine. If you want to know more information on the Bose QuietComfort Earbuds, why not visit us in store, head online, or chat to one of our tech experts on Shop Live.